Good morning, all dear students. Welcome in classroom. Myself, Dr. Mahendra Kharadia, Assistant Professor, ABST, Department of Commerce, Government Lohia College, Churu, Rajasthan. Dear students, today's lecture is very important for you. Topic is buyback of securities. Buyback of securities. Very important topic for BCom part first year students and all competitive exams of relating to commerce. Many questions received in our examination relating buyback of securities. All students are requested to watch video at the end and note important note of this content. Let's start today lecture. Buyback of securities. Section 68 of the Companies Act 2013 permitted companies to buy back their own shares or other specified securities. The provisions of Section 68 relating to power of purchase its own securities are as follows. Notwithstanding anything contained in this act, but subject to the provisions of subsection 2, and a company may purchase its own share or other specified securities transferred referred to as buyback out of its free reserves, security premium account, the proceeds of any shares, other specified securities, provided that no buyback of any kind of shares of other specified securities shall be made out of the proceeds of any earlier issue of the same kind of shares, same kind of other specified securities, section 68(1). 2. No company shall purchase its own shares or other specified securities under subsection 1 unless the buyback authorized by its articles. B. A special resolution has been passed at a journal meeting of the company authorizing the buyback, provided that nothing contained in this clause shall apply to case where the buyback is 10%. The buyback is 10% or less of the total paid up equity share capital and free reserves of the company. Such buyback has been authorized by the board of means a resolution passed at its meeting. The buyback is 25% or less of the aggregate of paid up capital and free reserves of the company. 3 conditions. Number 1, the buyback is 10% or less of the total paid up equity share and free reserve of the company. Second, such buyback has been authorized by the board of means of a resolution past its meeting. And last, the buyback is 25% or less of the aggregate of total paid up capital and free reserves of the company, provided that respect of the buyback equity shares in any financial year. The reference to 25% in this clause, the considered construed with respect to its total paid up equity share in the financial year. The ratio of aggregate of secured and unsecured debts owned by the company after buyback it not more than twice the paid up capital and its free reserves, provided that the central government may be order notify high higher ratio of the debts to capital and free reserves for a class or classes of companies. Class or classes of companies. All the shares of or other specified securities for buyback are fully paid up capital. All the shares of other specified securities for buyback are fully paid up capital. The buyback of shares or other specified security listed on a recognized stock exchange in accordance with the regulation made by the Securities and Exchange Board in the behalf. The buyback in respect of shares or other specified securities other than those specified in clause accordance with such rules be prescribed. This is buyback of securities. All students, thanks for listening me and watch a content for your study. Students are requested to share this video in your friends and family member. Thanks.